If you have children, it's not hard to envision how devastating what we found here is.
A new investigation found the Rhode Island Department of Children, Youth and Families has repeatedly violated federal law. Federal investigators say the state warehoused children in a psychiatric hospital. Good evening, I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti, checking them in for maybe weeks at most and allegedly letting them languish there for months, and in one case, at least a year. NBC 10's Team 10 coverage leads off with Gabrielle Caracciolo live in Providence tonight. Gabrielle?
The years-long federal probe found DCYF was leaving children in psychiatric hospitals even after staff recommended their discharge. They say this was done in place of the state providing them the care the kids needed.
And more to the point that we're here for today, it breaks the law.
A federal investigation into Rhode Island's Department of Children, Youth and Families found hundreds of civil rights violations. From 2017 through 2022, children with mental health or developmental disabilities were left at Bradley Hospital for weeks or months longer than necessary.
The problem is the use of hospitalization when less restrictive means are available and necessary.
The practice violates federal law requiring states to provide community-based services when appropriate.
Not in isolated instances, not sporadically, but repeatedly, unjustifiably, and with dire consequences.
Over the 5-year period examined, 116 children were hospitalized for more than 100 consecutive days, 42 for more than 180 days, and 7 for more than a year. Those children were supposed to be at Bradley Hospital for short-term stabilization care, which typically only lasts 1 to 2 weeks.
Each of those days is time with no meaningful access to family, friends, the comforts of a home, the chance to play outside, to go to school, to be a kid instead of a patient.
The U.S. Attorney's Office sent a letter to the state with the findings today. The state has 10 days to reply and begin work on a remediation plan. That would include improvements to existing services like therapeutic foster care.
The state has developed these programs in many cases, but it either hasn't funded them, it's reduced the funding to them, or it's prioritized the easy solution of putting children in a hospital setting rather than in a community setting.
Investigators emphasize they did not find any fault with Bradley Hospital itself. In a statement, the governor's office said that these issues were exacerbated by a national shortage of services, adding that they'll support DCYF's cooperation and work with DCYF to fix these problems. Live in Providence, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.